To get rid of belly fat, here's how to use chia seeds with water. Chia seed water, known for its weight control properties, significantly contributes to reducing belly fat thanks to its rich nutritional content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These tiny chia seeds contain large amounts of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, which work together to support weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. How to use chia seeds with water for weight loss. To use chia seeds with water for weight loss, you can prepare it with the following simple steps. Soak a quarter cup of chia seeds in a liter of water for 20 to 30 minutes. Add some flavorings to the mixture such as fruits to enhance its taste before consuming. Benefits of chia seed water for weight management and fat burning. Rich in fiber. The high fiber content of chia seeds, approximately 10 grams per 2 tablespoons, plays a crucial role in weight control. This includes both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps you feel full, aids digestion, and prevents overeating that can lead to obesity. High in protein, chia seed water contains large amounts of protein, which helps maintain muscle health and promotes feelings of fullness. It is also one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help combat inflammation associated with obesity. High in nutrition, chia seeds' calcium, magnesium, and iron content supports bone health and metabolic function. These nutrients contribute to maintaining a healthy weight, provides a feeling of fullness. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance in the stomach by absorbing water, slowing digestion and helping to reduce unnecessary snacking. This property makes them particularly effective in controlling appetite and calorie intake. Regulates blood sugar levels. Chia seeds help regulate blood sugar levels by preventing insulin spikes. Lower insulin levels indicate that the body is using stored fat for fuel, contributing to fat loss. Anti-inflammatory. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds help reduce inflammation that can lead to abdominal fat accumulation. These compounds also support heart health, enabling an active lifestyle essential for effective weight loss. Improves digestion. The fiber content in chia seeds promotes regular bowel movements and reduces bloating, supporting digestive health. Good digestion helps the body process and eliminate waste more efficiently, reducing bloating. Providing energy. The balanced composition of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in chia seeds provides steady energy, supporting endurance during physical activity and helping prevent belly fat accumulation. Here's my experience with chia seeds and yogurt, the secret to energy and vitality. What's the best time to eat chia seeds? Nutritionist Alicia Jaswani notes that the best time to eat chia seeds for weight loss is usually in the morning as part of breakfast. This helps keep us feeling full and satisfied throughout the day and, reduces the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. Jaswani adds that we can also rely on our personal preferences and add them to our diet at any time that suits us to maintain consistency and, stick with it. How many chia seeds do we need daily to lose weight? There is no recommended daily intake of chia seeds, but nutritionists typically recommend consuming 1 or 2 tablespoons daily. However, nutritionist Shrabani Mukherjee warns against overeating these seeds at once as they are high in fat, which can lead to adverse effects. 1 ounce contains 9 grams of unsaturated fat. You might be interested in knowing why chia seeds have become a celebrity obsession. Secrets revealed for the first time. How can we include chia seeds in our diet? Chia seeds have virtually no taste, so they can be part of many recipes. It is always recommended to soak them with juice or water, or add them to moist foods such as yogurt and oatmeal. There are many ways to benefit from their nutritional benefits, including chia seed soak. Just add a tablespoon of chia seeds to a cup of water and let it sit for 30 minutes. You can also add lemon juice to the mixture, then drink it all at once. With juices, you can add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your juice. With yogurt or oatmeal, just add a tablespoon to yogurt or oatmeal to boost your morning meal with fiber and protein. For chia seed pudding, mix a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds with milk or plant-based milk. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for a few hours, and then add your favorite fruit, nuts, or honey. Chia seeds can even be used as an egg substitute in various recipes. Simply mix a tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, let the mixture sit for 5 minutes, and add it to the liquid ingredients in your recipe. For pancakes and baked goods, Just add chia seeds to homemade pancake and baked goods to boost their nutritional value. And for a fruit and nut salad, add them to a fruit and nut salad with a sprinkle of a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup and a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Chia seeds are great and can be used in many recipes. For weight loss, you can drink them with water or lemon.